I have the power.
So I got a bit of a splash. Bless his heart.
Yeah, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go try to catch a crab. I don't know, are we gonna try to eat a crab? But
I feel like this is how we'll start. Let's see if we can get any crabs in our trap, and if any are big enough, we'll see how we feel.
yeah. Oof, it's kind of
Slimy?
stuck to the bottom there.
Oh, gross.
Oh, she's rusty.
Sweet.
Just, yeah, you put it down like that.
Well, yeah. Cool.
They climb in. Bloop, bloop.
And then we go, what do we do? What are we gonna do if we get one?
I know how big they have.
Good. Ooh, that boat needs a clean.
So I say we just go in between these crab traps here.
Sure, yeah. I mean, it's all, I don't know how deep is good. It's like 22, 25 feet in this whole area, so. I feel like you should just tie that rope on first. I just don't want.
I'm just making sure that this is
Actually secure.
good. Need a bow line. So it should be fine.
Cool.
Right?
I don't know.
I'm gonna do another one and then do a couple half hitches. I'm in some trouble here now.
Yeah. Just keep finding it around. I'm sure it'll catch.
See what I have to deal with, folks?
I'm confident with that. Just use the pointy end and then, yeah, good. Come on, crabs. I guess we'll try not to spill the juice until we drop the trap down.
Okay.
Don't just, oh, I guess you've got the, oh.
Okay.
There she goes.
Hands float. Yeah, grab it. There we go. That's bottom.
How much left of line do you have?
Probably enough. That's perfect, I think.
Sure, yeah, I don't know. I guess.
Tide's going down. I could tie a loop in it.
I feel like we've got a bit of a hazard here for other boaters.
No less of a hazard than two blue ones in blue water.
I think the whole idea is to keep the line taut.
No, you can't keep the line taut because then it would disappear on high tide.
I guess so.
That would be a hazard.
Just right below the surface.
Yeah.
I feel like we could do it.
Do what?
Cook it.
Oh, it's super simple to do.
Yeah.
The only part is like, after you cook it, you're supposed to put it in like ice water. So it's like, I guess we could dip it in the ocean. Don't want to waste water, right?
Yeah.
We don't have ice water anyways. I mean, who has such a luxury?
Who does? Okay, get us some dinner.
Who's gonna reach in and take them out?
Yeah, that's true. I don't think they come up with their claws elastic together. We came back from setting the trap, and I just made dinner. Some fajitas. And then we're gonna go check the trap, so I'll see if we got anything.
We don't know how long it's supposed to take.
Not a clue. We're just too excited.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with it? I hope we got one.
Me too. Okay, let's go. I'll get this majestic.
Oh, it looks so nice. this majestic look that I have going on.
It's cold. It's cooled off significantly.
It's freezing.
There it comes.
You see anything? Oh no! Is the tuna even in there? The tuna's not in there. Our tuna's gone. So, it's going to float it out. That sucks. I didn't even bring another can. We're just feeding the crabs now. Well, we're gonna try again. This time, it didn't work out.
This time?
Yeah, this very first time we tried. Babe, I have a song for you. If at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, try again. Usually you join in.
First you don't succeed.
First you don't succeed. Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, try again. Ooh, ooh.
Today we're off for take 2 of our crab hunt. Yesterday we pulled up the trap and the bait was gone. So today we're gonna zip tie it in, make sure it's not going anywhere. Our solar panels are charging, so we have more power now than we did this morning, which is really feels really good.
Can we see it in there? Nice. Got a smiley face. Cool.
It always has a smiley face. I think that's just like a
I-
false sense of security.
I've definitely seen it with a sad face.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. We're gonna head into town. Tiff needs a coffee.
That's not why we're heading into town.
Before heading to shore, we set the crab trap again, this time not making the rookie mistake of letting the bait float free.
After exploring the beach, we found a trail that took us to a lookout of the bay and our lonely sailboat in the middle of it. Another little free library.
Some pretty old moldy books in there.
I feel like it smells.
Wow, look at this one book.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is totally full of mold. That's gross. We'll just leave those in there.
Don't want mold on our boat.
No, we're done with that.
Can really get away from you.
Lyndon said there was a coffee shop up here that was really close. It's not very close, Lyndon.
Hope we didn't pass it.
We might have.
So we walked way past it.
He's like right after the beach. It's alright.
So the island's so small, obviously it doesn't have a bus system. So they have like these hitchhiking
car stops.
spots, which is awesome. So we're gonna try it.
Come on.
So somebody stopped at the car stop within like, it was like 5 seconds after we're like, okay. A lovely gentleman picked us up at the last car stop, and before he stopped, he hit a big mud puddle right in front of me. So I got a bit of a splash. Bless his heart. Lyndon is pretty pumped. It's sunny out, so we constantly are running and checking the voltage.
Our batteries are fully charged. No problem. They were fully charged and it was like cloudy out.
Man, look at that sparkle on that tarp.
You should get me my cool dudes.
Your anti-migraine glasses. Here you go.
I have the power. If our bait is gone, oh, so help me. Oh no, Tiff, no, my cool dudes, Tiff.
Alright, cool dude.
Oh man, look at me catching crab. Oh. Oh no, our panels are being shaded.
Lyndon, it's still recording.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry.
What was the dance you were just doing?
What dance?
Show everyone what they just heard.
If you want to support us on this adventure, head over to our Patreon page and find out how you can become part of our crew. Don't forget to like and subscribe. A new episode is out every Wednesday. And here's what's coming up next week on Walde Sailing.
Take me to the crab trap. There is?
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Don't forget you can find us on Facebook and Instagram. Links are below. Thanks for watching.